Well, it's wonderful to have the successful star cast of Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya with us, Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt. Wonderful to have you guys on Bollywood first of all.
Thank
and
you.
congratulations for the wonderful response to the film.
Thank
and
you.
how does it feel that you guys are being judged as the new age Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol as it?
Too much pressure, I think, to be compared to them.
Right.
But what's amazing, I think, is that this Jodi has been accepted, and this is our second film that's done well together.
Yeah.
So what's nice is that now, as we grow older, we can expect more mature scripts.
Yeah.
Maybe there'll be a new way of seeing us both together. We both actually worked really hard.
Yeah, and we wanted this film to do well for obviously all the good reasons, for our director, for us and all. But we also wanted it to do well because of when a Jodi gets when there's a hit Jodi, then people want to see those films again. That same cast again and again, and we can do different things. And we just enjoy working together as two actors. It becomes a very enriching experience. It becomes enriching also. We learn and we exchange and we
Exchange what?
Matlab,
Energy?
and we enjoy it. We're on the same page most of the time.
No, honestly, I think Alia is a very positive influence on me when I'm on a set.
Right.
Generally.
And vice versa.
And vice versa, I hope so. And it's amazing, yeah. I guess it's not a Jodi, it's a trio because Karan Johar is in it as well. He's in it as well. So.
Right.
Sid.
And Sid is also, there's always a Sid.
There's always a Sid.
Sid.
Okay, and you also have that Shah Rukh Khan moment to yourself as well.
You like that?
Yeah, I think it has a moment. I think the shades especially.
Yeah.
Those blue shades looked really good.
They're mine.
They are yours.
They're mine.
Okay, so you enjoyed that Shah Rukh Khan moment?
Yeah, when Shashank told me that you do that and all, I found it so sweet because I instantly started laughing. I said, because that's basically what Kavya is doing for Humpty because he's such a Shah Rukh Khan fan, he's a DDLJ fan. So she's doing that तुझे फिल्मी होना है अब मैं फिल्मी बन रही हूँ, for you. And I just love the gesture and the place it was coming from.
Okay, and in a way, some would call it that in a way it is a bit of a progressive story as well. The girl and the boy, they get close to each other, and before actually, they actually indulge in fun.
He's feeling so shy.
You're feeling shy.
Not really. In the sense they end up making love and all that stuff because generally what happens in Hindu movies is that कि यार आप मतलब पहले मोहब्बत होगी और शादी के बाद बाकी सब कुछ होगा.
But इधर पहले करते हैं.
पहले मतलब they just get used to each other and stuff like that. In the sense that that's not the right expression. Maybe basically they get to know each other. They get to know each other. They get to know each other.
Shy.
You're so shy. It's so sweet.
It's even wrong to say it.
Yeah, you're feeling. No,
I'm choosing the right words as such. So that
no, I understand.
Yeah, right.
I feel like many people get to know each other a lot nowadays. It's good to get to know somebody.
Yeah, absolutely. Because
before you get married, because you don't know what surprises there are.
Because sometimes when you get to know the person, you might realize that that person is not very good.
Not very good.
Yeah.
They always been talk on your show. Last time we were talking about the house.
Houses.
That's
what I was coming to reality and houses and cars. So it's best to just check them out before.
I want to ask her how was it to get to know me.
It was good to know you.
It was good to know. It was good to know you.
I'd like to know you some more.
Yeah, in another new film we'll be doing.
Even that aspect that there's some really quirky stuff that when you say that picture में इस moment में such kiss होता है. That's really funny as well.
Yeah, and because I feel like in day-to-day life also you tend to get very influenced by films, in terms of dialogues, in terms of references. नहीं पर उस फिल्म में सलमान खान ने ये किया था, आमिर खान ने ये किया था, शाहरुख खान ने. You get like.
I was not happy with that scene, but remember on set I kept telling Shashank नहीं यार ये कैसे करते हैं या ये थोड़ा मतलब I kept imagining myself like how do I react actually in that moment when I'm trying to kiss a girl.
Right.
मतलब that going ahead, the distance. मेरे को लग रहा था distance. He's saying नहीं but तू Humpty है. So I think for my performance there's so many things where Shashank's innocence has come in. I'm sure किसी लड़की ने उसे थप्पड़ मारा होगा. इसलिए
Right. Achha, what happens, Varun Dhawan, that in our interviews we tend to keep on deciphering your dialogues as such. So there was one dialogue that I was So there was one dialogue in the film that मुझे exactly समझ में नहीं आया. I thought that maybe I'll ask you. When that entire moment is going on about picture में इस moment पे kiss होता है and you said that जो बाहर के जो लौंडे होते हैं that income काफी होती है. लेकिन हमारी outcome हमारा. So what exactly is the outcome actually?
India is one of the most populated countries in the world. So it means what it means, people. It means that only.
Right. That's about it.
इनकम हमारा हाई
We
होना
not make much money, but outcome हमारा world class.
Outcome हमारा world class है.
We are at it, buddy.
Right.